Saltwater crocodile versus green anaconda in the Amazon rainforest. The saltwater crocodile is the largest and most aggressive reptile on Earth, armed with bone-crushing jaws and armored skin. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake alive, a silent constrictor capable of squeezing the life from nearly any creature. In the flooded Amazon, the giant anaconda coils around the saltwater crocodile, but the crocodile thrashes free, crushing the snake's skull and leaving its body floating lifeless in the muddy water.